Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a fantastic app that could completely change the way you download content to your Android device. The app we're reviewing today is called Tech Downloader, and if you haven't heard of it yet, you're in for a treat. Available for free on the Google Play Store, this app is designed to simplify the process of downloading all kinds of media content directly to your phone or tablet. Now let's be real, we all know the frustration of trying to download a video, image, or document only to find out that the site doesn't support downloading, or worse, the content is locked behind paywalls or complicated systems. Well, that's where Tech Downloader comes in to save the day. The goal of this app is to provide a simple, efficient way to download almost any kind of content from the internet to your Android device, no matter what type it is. So, how does Tech Downloader work, and why should you consider using it? Let's dive into the details. First things first, let's talk about the setup. Installing Tech Downloader is super easy. Simply go to the Google Play Store, search for Tech Downloader, and hit that install button. Once the app is installed, you're ready to start using it. The app is split into several sections. You have the browser, where you can search for content to download, a Downloads tab where you can track your active and completed downloads, and a file manager that helps you organize and access your downloaded files. One of the first things I noticed when I opened the app is how intuitive the interface is. There's no complicated setup process, and everything is designed to be as user-friendly as possible. You don't need to be tech-savvy to use it, just tap on the Browser tab and you can start browsing the internet directly from within the app. One of the standout features of Tech Downloader is its automatic content detection system. This means that when you're browsing a website and come across downloadable media, such as videos or images, the app automatically detects those files and alerts you that they're ready for download. For example, let's say you're watching a video on a website. As soon as the video starts playing, Tech Downloader will pop up a notification giving you the option to download it in just a few taps. This feature is incredibly convenient and sets Tech Downloader apart from other downloaders that require you to manually search for download links or enter complicated URLs. Another feature that's perfect for heavy downloaders is batch downloading. If you've ever wanted to download several files at once, whether it's a playlist of videos, a folder full of images, or multiple documents, Tech Downloader lets you do just that. Instead of downloading files one by one, you can select multiple files at once, and the app will queue them for download. This can save you a ton of time, especially if you're downloading a lot of content. This batch downloading feature is especially useful when you're dealing with large amounts of content and don't want to sit there clicking download on each individual file. Instead, just select everything you need and let the app do the work for you. Now let's talk about file formats. Tech Downloader supports a wide range of formats, including MP4 for videos, MP3 for audio files, JPEG-G and PNG for images, and PDF for documents. No matter what type of content you're looking to download, you'll likely find that the app supports it. For example, if you're downloading a video, you can choose from different quality options such as 720p, 1080p, or even 4K if it's available. Similarly, if you're downloading music, you can grab MP3 files without any issues. This versatility makes it a great all-in-one downloader for anyone who needs to download various types of content regularly. Once you've downloaded your content, Tech Downloader includes a built-in file manager to help you stay organized. You can view your files, sort them by date, type or name, and you can even search for specific files if you have a lot of content saved. This built-in file organization system is great because it saves you the trouble of having to manually manage your downloads outside of the app. If you're someone who downloads a lot of media, having everything organized in one place is a huge benefit. You won't need to go searching through your device's storage to find a specific file. It's all there in the app, ready to go. All right, let's walk through the actual downloading process. It's incredibly straightforward. Once you've found the content you want to download using the built-in browser, Tech Downloader will automatically detect the available media. You'll see a notification pop up that lets you know what can be downloaded. From there, simply tap on the notification, select the file format and quality you want, if applicable, and the download will begin. That's it. It's really that simple. The app works seamlessly in the background, so you don't have to sit there and watch the download process. Once the download is complete, you can access the file right through the app, or you can open it from your device's storage. Now, let's break down some of the pros and cons of using Tech Downloader. Ease of use. The app is incredibly user-friendly, making it accessible for both beginners and more experienced users. Automatic content detection. The automatic download detection feature is super convenient and saves you time. Batch downloads. You can download multiple files at once, which is perfect for heavy downloaders. Supports multiple file formats: MP4, MP3, JPEG, PDF. This app can handle it all. Free and lightweight, the app is completely free to download and it doesn't take up much space on your device. File Manager. The built-in File Manager makes it easy to organize and access your downloaded files. While Tech Downloader works with most websites, it doesn't support every site out there. Some sites may still block downloads or require extra steps. While the free version is functional, there might be some premium features locked behind a paywall. The app doesn't allow you to download copyrighted content, but it's still important to make sure you're downloading media legally. So, is Tech Downloader worth it? Absolutely. If you find yourself frequently downloading media content from the internet, this app is a game changer. It's fast, easy to use, and supports a wide variety of content. The features like automatic content detection, batch downloading, and the built-in file manager make it stand out from other downloaders on the market. That said, there are some limitations. While it supports a large number of websites, not every site is compatible, and there are some content restrictions due to legal reasons. But if you stick to freely available media, you're going to love how easy it is to use. So if you want to download videos, music, images, or documents with ease, Tech Downloader is definitely worth checking out. I've left a link to the app in the description below so you can download it from the Google Play Store. Thank you for watching today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews like this. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Tech Downloader or if you have any questions about how it works. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.